Hi, my name is Eric, and not every day is perfect for me. Sometimes things go wrong. And as an online teacher, what can you do if you need help from someone from VIPKid? Well, come with me. So if you ever have any questions about things like payments or like Apple Score or even your contract, or for example, like IT issues, things not working, you can always send in a ticket. Kind of like this, not like this one.
We're talking about these kind of tickets. Here, let me show you.
First, you need to log into your account on the teacher's portal. From there, head to the support page and click on Contact Support. This is where you can classify issues and give more detailed info and even include an image if needed. When you're all set, click the Submit button.
I can check the status of my ticket by clicking on My Tickets in the Support Center. Now that I've submitted my ticket, who's going to answer it? Where do I get my response from? Well, it's not me, but I can introduce you. It's still not me.
Each of them is ready to support you in any way that they can. No one is perfect, but your tickets will be solved.
All right, let's check on my ticket. Hey, I got a response.
My ticket here hasn't quite been solved yet.
So as Kevin's writing his ticket, there's a couple things that he should include to make things go a lot more smoothly. Things like offering the class in Beijing time, that really helps, or the classroom info, or links to the classroom, the specific classroom, any documentation related to the class, and most importantly, screenshots. Any of these 4 things would help Kevin get his ticket solved in an efficient and timely manner.
Done. All right, that's better.
Great job, Kevin. Well, that's pretty much how our ticket system works and how you can get a ticket solved efficiently. If you have any questions, then you should probably send in a ticket because that really is the best way to get your questions answered. So big thank you to our teacher service team and big thank you to you, our teachers. My name is Eric and I am out of here.